Welcome to our 5-minute brief on what is impact investing. This is part of a broader angel training program sponsored by the Next Wave Foundation. Impact investing means different things to different people. So, talking about what it is for Next Wave believes that impact investing is not philanthropy, but rather an investment that is going to return your capital along with a financial return into companies that are actually having a social impact as well as being a profitable enterprise. We believe that you can make money by investing in companies doing good things. It's also a way for us as investors to align our values with our investing. When we think of where impact investing falls between philanthropy and for-profit traditional investing, we're investing in companies that are not just seeking profit, but also seeking a double or triple bottom line. So profits, people, planet, not just a profit motive, but also having a social impact. Sometimes the return profile is considered finance first or impact first. If you look at these four quadrants, traditional investments on the upper left is looking to maximize financial returns with little emphasis on, or any on, social returns. Whereas impact investments seek to have both financial returns and social returns. So in this upper right-hand quadrant, we see it's broken into two different groups, finance first and impact first. So for our fund, for example, we are financial first. We're looking to get market level returns, but also having high social impact. Whereas a lot of our individual investors in our fund do individual investing where they're looking at prioritizing the social impact with financial returns. So depending on where you are, finance first or impact first, will depend on where you are in that right-hand quadrant, but everyone in the right-hand quadrant is looking to have both financial returns and social returns. In terms of social impact and what kind of impact these companies have, questions that you should be asking yourself and the entrepreneurs are the following. Can the company have a social impact and still be profitable and scalable? How are they thinking about social impact for their company? Is it in their hiring processes? Is it in the product or services that they offer? Is it in the customers that they're serving? But is impact a core part of what their company is? And what is the impact? Is it on the people? Is it on the planet? And then specifically, if it's the people, who is the company impacting? Is it making, say, the 1% more environmental, or is it making a marginalized population better off? The questions you need to ask yourself as an investor are how you want to have an impact. What kind of impact do you want the companies that you invest in to have and to be focused on? Your investment strategy, principles, risk profile, and desired returns are going to guide all of your investing. You may focus on a certain sector, such as clean water or the environment, or you may focus on a certain kind of entrepreneur, such as investing with a gender lens. You may want to focus a percentage of your investments on the earliest stage companies to get some of these social impact companies scalable, so they have the traction to attract more traditional kinds of capital. Now, there are some kinds of ventures that have social impact that may have a lower return profile. So either it's going to have to be patient capital, it's going to take a long time for them to get to scale and to have a return for investors, or it just may have a lower than market rate of return. So you, as you're thinking about your investment strategy, are you impact first or are you finance first? Will you accept concessionary returns, or will you accept more patient capital returns? In terms of measuring impact, how are you going to determine if the company has an impact? How are the entrepreneurs thinking about it and measuring it? And is impact going to be a core part of the company's DNA? Because as this company scales, or as this company gets acquired by a larger company that may or may not have the same impact mission, how do we ensure that the social impact part of the company lasts beyond the acquisition, or does it have that impact at scale? So if it's a core part of who the company is, that impact is actually a valuable part of what the company is and can be sustained. This is a 5-minute brief. We have much longer trainings and webinars around various topics, including impact investing. Here are some resources for you as well around impact investing, and there's a lot of information on our website, nextwaveimpact.com. Thank you.